Hi guys, today I'm going to share a simple strategy on how to make $700 from $50 on binary options trading. But first, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss working trading strategies. Join my Telegram channel where you will find free trading signals and will be able to get personal answers to your questions and profitable trading. Are you ready? Come on! I'm an expert in trading, and in this video I will show you how I earn money from trading. Use strategies to make money trading with minimal risks. You can use my strategies that I show and use them. Most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions when trading. Always conduct an analysis before operations. I know you can't wait to get down to business. Pay close attention to what I say and do. Click like and let's go! The most exciting part of my video is my strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100%. It is based on the use of two key indicators, the Awesome Oscillator and the RSI. With their help, I determine whether to open a deal or not. When moving average intersect from bottom to top, this means a possible upward movement of the chart, and vice versa. The second indicator helps to determine the general direction of movement of the chart on a large scale. And now the settings. I will leave everything to the basic settings. I include only two indicators, the Awesome Oscillator and the RSI. I leave the settings for the two indicators as standard. Now turn on the candles, set the interval to 1 minute, the transaction time is 1 minute as well, and you can start. I start with the amount of $50, it is from this amount that we will go out at $700. Opening the Asia Composite Index, we open our first downgrade deal in the amount of $50. Here is the intersection of our top-down moving average and a chart with an active downward movement. We are watching how our first deal confidently goes into the plus and waiting for the right moment for the second one. Do you want to earn like professionals? We provide detailed signals for successful trading every day. Join our team of traders through the link in the description and increase your earnings. For the second deal, we put the amount of $96 because the yield in each transaction will be amount 93%. The second deal will be the same in the currency pair. We analyze the situation and make a 1 minute reduction level. There is a downward movement and the intersection of the sliding ones. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we see, our strategy works if we find good entry points. Our second transactions end in a plus. Our balance is already $186. Now we are raising our transaction amount by $186. And now we are looking for the next situation that suits us. And this time we open a short trade for 1 minute. The main thing is not to observe the green impulse, but it does not matter since the transaction time is 1 minute and it will still be corrected. Here again we see the intersection of the sliding ones, which gives us a signal to go down. We see a downward movement. So we came out with no result. Let's try again. Give us a rise since the movement has gone up. So the deal is over. The next correct deal in a row. We observe our balance at $359. We are not far from our goal of $700. The main thing is to repeat my strategy and analyze your trades. We increase our transaction amount by $359 and look for the next suitable situation. So we found the situation we needed. Open our deal for 1 minute rise and wait. Everything is simple here. We see a sharp reversal of the graph and a chart that shows a confident rise. The deal was completed, another successful transaction was added to our piggy bank and the balance was replenished in the amount of $693. Our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we reached $693 from $50. Our all transactions were confidently successfully closed, which shows the success of the strategies that I showed you. Good luck and good profits to all! Do you see? No magic, just the right strategy. Do you want to increase your income through trading? Go to my Telegram channel and use my referral link to receive bonuses on Olymp Trade. If you liked it, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, my future crypto millionaires!